Of a school, St. Xavier School and Junior College. Apart from this, there is another gate at 100-meter distance. This is another entrance of the school gate. The objection was taken about this wall, saying that this wall is less than 6 feet, so we have extended it. This is security cabin where the entries are made. This is the ramp made for the CWSN students for the first floor. Pole was here at this location, which is taken out. The bare wire, overhead wires were already taken out, but they objected about electric pole. We have taken it out today. This is the entrance in the building. This is the office, our vision, our mission, and our admin office. We are in the class 6th Lotus. This is the element of the classroom. Audio visual system is there in 22 classrooms. We are leading to the first floor of the first building. Of the library. The element of the library. This is the library stock register, English and kids books. So this is entirely filled. Yeah, altogether we have got 3,971 books in English, 999 books altogether, Hindi, around 471 books of Marathi language. Books for Science Junior College and Commerce Junior College, reference books are there, around 600 books are there. There is language laboratory here, English lab and its material here. Similarly, Hindi section, this side. And this side we have got Marathi section of Hindi language library. We are heading to the IT laboratory. Around 40 computers are there. 40 PCs per. This is the classroom. More than 600 square feet. This is CWSN toilet for the boys. arrangement provided with the wheelchair child will come, handles are there, and this is the provision.
This is a girls' toilet washroom where we have number of toilets here, wash basin, urinals for girls. Here we have toilets. We have plenty of water. Here we have CWSN toilet for girls.
Arrangement for the drinking water, pipe and water cooler. This type of 3 systems are there, placed at different places. We are heading to the another part of the building, second wing of the building. This building constitutes ground plus 2 floors. Welcome to the composite laboratory. Second section. For the practicals of secondary section. Display now. We are heading to the physics laboratory for the senior secondary section. It was stated that we have less stock of laboratory material. We have displayed the entire stock now just to show that we have got adequate material for the 30 students at a time. In this building, we have got 3 floors, and at every floor there is a washrooms for the students.
Yes, CWS.
This is the CWSN toilet. Yeah. We proceed to the first floor through the ramp.
Yes, sir.
We are on the first floor now. Let's go to the chemistry laboratory. We have displayed maximum material outside because it was stated that we have short stock of laboratory. So we have laid maximum stock out on the table. This is the temporary arrangement to show. Welcome to the biology laboratory for senior secondary. Students can conduct EG practicals here. The material is displayed here, but as per the requirement we arrange it again for the practicals.
On this floor we have washrooms for girls again. Yeah. Here there is CWSN for girls. And other washrooms. Plus wash basin here.
From the ground floor to first floor, and first floor to second floor, we are going through the ramp. We are coming to second floor and heading towards the maths lab. Certain material is displayed according to the requirement today. Rest other material is kept in the cupboards. Similar toilets provision also on the second floor. It was stated in the inspection earlier that there are various buildings shown, but the building what you can see, The ground floor is used for the principal and guests provision for the to get refreshment, and the first floor, what you can see, is used for the storage of material required for the sports and other